Baking is one of my favorite activities at home. It gives me comfort and achievement. When bread is baked, happiness is all around home. White bread is the very basic of baking. If you know how to bake it, it's just the start of home baking. Shall we start? I'm gonna bake one normal and one medium-sized bread. Measuring is very important in baking. First, we need 500 grams of flour for bread. Pour in a bowl. I use instant dry yeast. Around 12 grams is enough. Sugar is another important ingredient. Pour in 30 grams. For balance, 10 grams of salt is needed. 350 milliliters of lukewarm water is needed too. Pour flour mix in a mixing bowl. Before mixing, put in 50 grams of butter. Butter will give a nice flavor. You can knead the dough by hand, but mixing machine will give you more free time. Set the bowl on the machine. Before setting the hook, mix roughly, otherwise the flour will splash all around. Set the hook and start the machine. This will take around 15 to 20 minutes. Work the machine until dough gets smooth. Remove the hook from the machine. Scrape the dough from the hook. Get the dough lump out of the bowl. Put the dough on a lightly floured work surface. Round the dough until it gets smooth and sleek. Now it is plastic and elastic. Put it back in the bowl with the lid covered. Put the bowl in a warm place like an oven. 40 degrees Celsius and 50 minutes. It has risen to double in size. Knock back the dough. Punch the air out and pull the dough in on itself. Total weight is around 940 grams. For a normal sized bread, I need 540 grams. For a medium one, around 390 grams is needed. For each bread, I need to divide the dough into 3 pieces. I'm gonna divide into 130 grams each for a medium bread. For a normal bread, I will take around 180 grams each. Now gently mold each dough into a ball. By doing this, the area in the dough won't go away. Not only on your hands, but on a work surface, you can make a ball. Cover them with a plastic wrap to prevent from drying. Rest them for around 15 minutes. Time to fold and make a roll. Flatten the dough with a rolling pin. Fold each side and roll like a roll cake. Pinch the end to seal tight. Otherwise, sealing will be broken during baking. Put them in a baking pan. They should be settled tight in a pan. Medium-sized pan is also filled with the dough. Cover them with a plastic wrap again. Put them in the oven with a 40 degrees Celsius. Let them be leavened for around 35 to 40 minutes. Being doubled in size means ready to bake. Heat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Bake for about 30 minutes. Beautiful golden color. It is perfectly done. This is the best time to enjoy home-baked bread. Hope you enjoy your own bread at home. Bye!